Marco Polo. Marco Polo. Marco Polo about to get this shit in. We coming again, about to get this shit in. Me and Marco on the side, ready to drink some fucking gin. And we do what we do, and we do it well. These motherfuckers looking at us, trying to raise ruckus in hell. We don't give a fuck, though. We bout our fucking grind. We in this motherfucker, so we gonna fucking shine. So I'm about to pass the stick and let these niggas know. Marco then walk in CVP motherfucking door.
Shit, I'm in this bitch and I ain't got much time. A lot of tragic shit be going through my mind. I don't wanna face no time, but crime on my mind. And these motherfuckers out here ain't give me a dime. Gotta go and get mine for what the fuck it is. And you know I gotta go and get my motherfucking script. And you niggas know the deal, cause I'm in CVP all day. Who it be? I be the MLP. I'm finna pass back the shade about one fucking day, but not today, cause it's my fucking day. About to get my pay, about to get my Skrilla, cause you know I be that #1 supreme nigga. If that nigga coming down, and I'm not gonna fucking frown, cause I'm gonna get my money in your town, all mine. You know I'm on the grind, gotta get what mine came from the pen. So I'm coming over here, fucking getting it in. You know I gotta do it every day. I gotta get my pay and get away from the haters, cause I might shoot them bitches like skyscrapers real fast. If they don't have my cash, they'll be my bitch size 12 in their ass. It's that nigga.
Get it, nigga. Yeah. Collegeville parties coming up on
Nigga, we is straight up knuckleheads. About to let you know, ain't no sleep, ain't no going to bed. We about to come up in your room real damn soon. About to hear some shit like a flashbang, that shit go boom. We got them choppers, them stoppers, them AKs too. I got a 380 cause I'm a lady, I thought you knew. We busting bitches for riches, we taking hoes for pros. We letting them know these hoes get dropped like fucking dominoes. We don't give a fuck, bitch. Your ass will get stuck. You'll get placed in that water, bitch. Your ass is out of luck. We don't give a fuck, nigga. We some goons, we bees. Motherfucker northwest, south to east. We will take your block, bitch, take your hoe. We don't give a fuck, set them hoes out for show. Bitches, what these hoes want? Nothing from this hoe, cause I'll let them know they ass get smoked like that bro. Bitch, I'm ready, I'm heavy, I'm copping my steel. I'm letting you know this the real motherfucking goddamn deal, bitch. And you know this, yeah.